We're a program dedicated to the natural gas field. It's really a hands-on program. It's meant to give you the skills that you need to get directly into that field. We take the students from the wellhead to the gas appliance, through how natural gas is found, where it comes from, how we distribute it to the home. So the students will get experience in excavation equipment, installing the pipe, along with how we join the pipe, which is either plastic fusion or welding. They will also get experience in mapping, locating, maintenance of the distribution system. We start out our construction side in the summer. As we work towards the end, we kind of working our way inside the house. So kind of wrapping it up with appliance, relight safety inspection, some house piping and inspection that the students will get real familiar with. We do offer CDL training, OSHA 10 training, first aid training. We like to get as many tools in their toolbox as we possibly can. It is a 9-month program. It's a technical diploma. Usually we have anywhere from 10 to 15 companies that come in from all over the country to try to hire our students. And it's typical that our students have 2 to 3 job opportunities once they're getting close to graduation. Our students get surveyed after they leave the college, and they're averaging anywhere from $50,000 to $90,000 a year starting out. And that's just with a 9-month program. It's probably pretty consistent that we're within the top tier programs. We have our own building. Design, or the idea of it, was having our building located right on our field where we spend most of our time, and really the field is the classroom. So we have a 7-acre field. We have a vast amount of equipment. Once you come in and see the facility, there's nothing like it in the country for energy training.